Are you struggling with an unsightly or unsafe cracked windshield in Tri-Cities, Washington? Get your windshield replaced with the convenience and time savings provided with TJM Industries Mobile Auto Glass Services. By providing mobile auto glass services in the Tri-Cities, Washington area, we service our customers' vehicles at their location and at a time that is convenient for their schedule. Contact us now at 509-870-0026.
Travis from TJM responded quickly and replaced my windshield before I got back from lunch. I definitely recommend them if you need your windshield fixed.
Don't miss out on exceptional customer service. Call 509-870-0026 or visit our website at www.tjmmobiletruckwash.com to make your auto glass replacement appointment. Our phone number again is 509-870-0026. Call today. We are standing by to take your call.